Hi guys, today is Thursday the 3rd of September and now we are on to subtracting decimals, okay? Yesterday we added decimals and we even added decimals that involving carrying, and now we're going to just spend today on subtracting decimals, and then tomorrow I'm going to give you some word problems that involve decimals, okay? Some word problems that involve like adding and subtracting decimals, okay? But today we're just going to recap subtracting decimals, and then we will be ready for those word problems tomorrow, okay? Now, let's go through these three sums together, okay? And then you can start on some of the activities, which I'll show you in a minute, okay? So a lot of people asked me in the video calls yesterday, they said, Mr. Denham, if after I've done five or six sums, I find I know how to do it. I can do it. It's fine. I don't need to do anymore. That's okay. As long as you feel confident in answering those sums, that's fine. If you have finished, okay, the best thing, and you want to do something else, and you want to try yourself with something more, challenge yourself with something more, or if you finished maybe five or six and you got it, and you don't need to do it, and you know that you've got it, and you know that you're totally at 100% confident with it, okay, then that's when you can start test one from the pack workbook that was given out, okay? People come and collected the packs, okay? When people came to collect the packs, in there was lots and lots and lots of year 5 kind of general knowledge maths questions and tests, okay? And you can have a go at the test 1 of that one, okay? There should be about 30 or 30 plus questions on there, okay? So you can have a go at test 1 if you finished, okay? Now, let's go through these sums, and then, okay, once we've gone through these ones, hopefully you'll feel confident to take on the activity. Okay, let's have a look at the first one here. We have 1.398 minus 0.277. Nice easy one to start off with. 8 minus 7 is 1. 9 minus 7 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. Whoop, that one's not very good. I'm going to do a better one than that. Let me have another go. Yep. And a decimal point. And then 1 minus 0. Okay, nice easy one to start off with, and that gets a tick. Next one. Okay, 3 minus 2 is 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. Now, here we go. Look what we've got here. 3 take away 4. Can't do it. So we've got to borrow past the decimal. Okay, we've got to borrow past the decimal. That one becomes a 5, and this one becomes 13. Okay, so we've had to take away from that one. So 13 minus 4 is, hopefully you're saying 9. Okay, we don't forget the decimal point. Can't forget that. Then 5 minus 5 is 0. And there we have our answer, 0.921. It gets tick. And the next one. Just like we did with the addition, if there's a gap, we need a placeholder. Okay? We need that placeholder. And that placeholder is going to be 0. Okay? So, 3 minus 0 is 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. 8 minus 9, again, we've got to borrow past the decimal. Okay? So that one is becoming 8. And there's a 1 coming here, which makes that 18. Okay? 18. 18 take away 9. Hopefully you're all saying 9 to the screen. 9 there. Never forget the decimal point. That's why we line it all up. And then 8 minus 2 is 6. Okay? Then 6.93 gets a tick. Okay? So they are some examples of the kind of sums that you're going to be tackling today. Okay? And here they are. Okay? Here they are. And They're all set out for you, okay? These ones, some of them are 2-digit numbers and some of them are 3-digit numbers. However, there's another activity on Thursday 1, as you can see here, this one is Thursday 2. There's also one that says Thursday 1, where there are some trickier challenges as well on there, okay? So have a go at those, and remember what I said. If you're going through them and you realize I can do this, this is no problem. I can borrow numbers past the decimal, and that's no problem at all. I know how to subtract decimals and I'm really confident with it. Perfect. That's when you go on to have a look at test 1 on the booklet that you got in the pack. Okay? Also, if you want to, you can write down some subtracting decimal sums, okay, and on a bit of paper, okay, and put them down for me to work out. Okay, that's a bit of an extra challenge if you want to do that. You can write a few sums for me and Miss Gigi to work out. Okay? So good luck with that activity. I hope by the end of today, you know how to subtract decimals perfectly. Good luck, everyone.